to the world is what this year's Belle Reef students explored. The destination, National Geography Week. All teachers and students took part in this year's Geography Week by selecting a country or continent to explore. Each country was saluted by each class with songs, dances, and colorful drawings to illustrate their selected country. Well, hang on as we use our passport to take you on a trip to remember.
Some of the things that we've done is that we've gathered lots of materials. Every class has decided to choose a country that they would like to explore. And so they're talking about cultures, they're talking about the climate. They're also learning about stories about people.
We're studying France today.
How do you think your kids are enjoying it?
They are loving it. We have done a lot of things all morning long, and I first started off by speaking French to them, and they had no idea what I was saying.
We're studying Italy. We're studying a lot of countries, but we're focusing on Italy, especially today.
The grand finale of the whole assembly is coming back to America through a Caribbean story, when the people in this story land in America on Thanksgiving Day. This assembly happens 2 days before Thanksgiving, and so we, this class, and the rest of the school will sing a song that is a calypso Thanksgiving song. Shall we try it?
Yeah.
See what happens?
Look around. It looks pretty busy in the 5th grade pod. Bonjour. We're still in Mrs. Henderson's class. They would like to catch us in French and sing Frere Jacques. Well, let's hear them now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Saturday Martina, ding ding dong, ding ding dong.
Just a thin crescent of light. It was the perfect shape of the cone.
I hope you